No, especially not up here. This is a bad place.
Now whatever's here forced you guys into not sleeping here.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, I see an apparition of a man. He's all black. He's very tall. The only thing I do see that's not black is a pale yellow eyes, and he has a long,
Shadow, wake up, you're snoring.
hairy Grinch like fingers.
The way you describe it,
Where's your head?
It's kind of like an owl.
Shadow,
No, it sounds crazy.
any medication
you're
you take?
snoring.